The 2026 Aston Martin Vantage represents a bold step forward for the iconic British marque, combining its legendary heritage with modern engineering and cutting-edge technology to create one of the most compelling sports cars on the market. This car does not simply update the familiar formula of the Vantage, it redefines it with a new design language, a stronger performance envelope, advanced driver assistance features, and an interior that blends luxury with functionality in a way that makes the car feel timeless yet contemporary. When enthusiasts talk about the Aston Martin Vantage, they often highlight its connection to a long line of handcrafted performance machines that embody passion, style, and exclusivity, and the 2026 model continues this legacy while embracing the demands of modern performance drivers who want both everyday usability and thrilling dynamics. The design of the 2026 Aston Martin Vantage immediately captures attention with a wider stance, more sculpted surfaces, and aerodynamic detailing that improves airflow while enhancing visual drama. The proportions remain classically Aston Martin, with a long hood, a short rear deck, and muscular haunches that communicate power even when the car is standing still. The front fascia features a reinterpretation of the iconic grille, slightly larger and positioned lower to emphasize aggressiveness and road presence. Slim LED headlights incorporate the latest lighting technology, providing sharper illumination while contributing to the sleek, futuristic look. Around the sides, clean lines blend seamlessly into flared arches that house lightweight forged alloy wheels available in multiple finishes, ranging from elegant silver to bold dark tones. At the rear, the full-width light bar integrates smoothly into a sculpted tail, while a pronounced diffuser and quad exhaust tips signal the performance focus of the car. The aerodynamics are not only about style, with a new active rear wing and underbody channels helping to increase downforce and stability at higher speeds, ensuring that beauty and function go hand in hand. Underneath the sculpted body, the 2026 Vantage is powered by an evolved twin-turbocharged V8 engine, developed in collaboration with Mercedes AMG, but uniquely tuned by Aston Martin engineers to deliver a character that is distinctively British. The power output now exceeds 650 horsepower, with torque figures climbing to more than 600 pound-feet, making it one of the most powerful Vantage models ever produced. The engine note has been carefully tuned to deliver a spine-tingling soundtrack, with a deep burble at idle that crescendos into a sharp roar at higher revs. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, while top speed comfortably exceeds 200 miles per hour, putting it squarely in supercar territory. The power is delivered through an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, offering both lightning-fast gear changes in sportier modes and smooth shifts during relaxed driving. Aston Martin has worked extensively on the driveline to balance raw power with refined control, and as a result the Vantage feels precise and rewarding whether on a twisting mountain road, a racetrack, or a long highway cruise. The chassis has been redesigned with lightweight aluminum architecture, offering improved rigidity and reduced weight compared to the outgoing model. Suspension tuning plays a crucial role in the character of the car, with adaptive dampers that can adjust instantly to changing road conditions or driver inputs. The result is a car that feels composed and comfortable during everyday driving yet capable of delivering razor-sharp handling and cornering grip when pushed to the limit. Steering feedback is another area where Aston Martin has placed strong emphasis, providing a connection to the road that feels natural and confidence-inspiring. Braking performance has also been enhanced, with carbon ceramic discs available as an option to provide fade-free stopping power even after repeated high-speed runs. These upgrades position the Vantage as not just a stylish grand tourer but also a formidable track-capable machine. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Vantage achieves a balance of luxury and performance focus that reflects Aston Martin's philosophy of creating vehicles that are as comfortable as they are thrilling. The seating position has been refined to feel more driver-centric, with sports seats offering excellent lateral support while remaining comfortable for long journeys. High-quality materials dominate the interior, from hand-stitched leather and Alcantara to carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trim pieces, each crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Aston Martin offers extensive personalization through its Q division, allowing owners to specify unique color combinations, stitching patterns, and bespoke finishes that ensure no two Vantage interiors need to be the same. The digital instrument cluster has been upgraded with a high-resolution display that presents key information clearly, while the central infotainment system now uses a larger touchscreen with more intuitive menus and faster response times. Integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, and an optional Bowers & Wilkins audio system provides audiophile quality sound that transforms the cabin into a private concert hall. Despite its focus on performance, the interior remains practical enough for daily use, with improved storage solutions and a surprisingly usable trunk. Technology extends beyond comfort and entertainment, with the 2026 Vantage featuring a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking provide reassurance in everyday driving situations, while track-oriented features such as performance data logging and customizable drive modes enhance the experience for enthusiasts. The new electronic stability program has been refined to intervene less intrusively, giving drivers the confidence to explore the limits of the car without feeling restricted. The balance between analog driving pleasure and digital safety is carefully managed, ensuring that the core spirit of the Vantage as a driver's car remains intact. Another important aspect of the 2026 Vantage is its focus on sustainability and efficiency, without compromising performance. The updated powertrain includes mild hybrid technology that improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, while also providing additional torque during acceleration. Lightweight materials and improved aerodynamics further contribute to better efficiency, making the Vantage not just faster but also more responsible in an era when environmental considerations are increasingly important. Aston Martin has also explored the use of more sustainable interior materials, such as vegan leather options and recycled composites, offering environmentally conscious buyers more choices without sacrificing luxury. Driving the 2026 Vantage is an experience that blends adrenaline with elegance. In sport mode, the car sharpens its responses, stiffening the suspension, quickening throttle inputs, and opening the exhaust for a more aggressive soundtrack. On winding roads, the car dances with agility, gripping the asphalt with precision and delivering confidence through every corner. Switch back to comfort mode, and the ride softens, the cabin quiets down, and the Vantage becomes a refined grand tourer capable of devouring miles effortlessly. This dual personality makes it one of the most versatile cars in its segment, able to satisfy both those who seek a weekend track weapon and those who desire a daily driver with style and prestige. The 2026 Aston Martin Vantage also carries immense brand significance. It serves as a showcase for Aston Martin's ability to compete with the best from Germany and Italy, challenging rivals like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Ferrari Roma, and Mercedes AMG GT. Each of those cars offers something unique, yet the Vantage distinguishes itself with its unmistakable British design flair, handcrafted interior touches, and the sense of exclusivity that comes with owning an Aston Martin. It is not a mass-produced machine, but rather a carefully assembled piece of automotive art, each one bearing the craftsmanship of skilled engineers and artisans. For buyers, this makes the Vantage more than just transportation, it becomes an expression of individuality and taste. Ownership of the 2026 Vantage extends beyond the car itself, with Aston Martin offering exclusive ownership experiences such as track days, driving tours, and access to private events. The brand continues to cultivate a community around its vehicles, reinforcing the sense that owning an Aston Martin is about joining a lifestyle as much as it is about driving a car. This intangible appeal, combined with the tangible excellence of design, performance, and craftsmanship, helps explain why the Vantage remains one of the most desirable sports cars in the world. In conclusion, the 2026 Aston Martin Vantage represents the perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It stays true to the core values that have defined the nameplate for decades, offering breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and refined luxury, while also embracing the latest technologies and sustainable practices. It is a car that excites the senses, rewards skilled driving, and turns every journey into a memorable experience. Whether admired for its aesthetic beauty, appreciated for its engineering sophistication, or enjoyed for the visceral thrill of its performance, the Vantage continues to embody the spirit of Aston Martin in a way that is both timeless and forward-looking. With its 2026 iteration, the Vantage not only raises the bar for itself but also reasserts its position as one of the most desirable sports cars in the world, a machine that reflects passion, craftsmanship, and innovation in every detail.